The Forex market never sleeps, and neither do I. So let's see what today's charts have to show us. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nick, and I'm a top podder on TradingView with over 260k reputation points. And every day I share a lot of free education and analysis for all of you. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about EURUSD. Now, why do I want to speak about EURUSD? Because at the moment, we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So what I will be doing is, as usual, providing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis. First, I will be covering the technical aspect. Then we will go and see what we have from a COT perspective. So commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials, so the biggest speculators in the market, are doing. And by the end of the video, by using a combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on the pair. Now, starting on the monthly time frame, we can see how the market has just printed this overextended M pattern. Now, in general, after the creation of an overextended M pattern, you want to see the market provide a move to the upside to go and retrace at least to the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on the impulse leg. So by taking our Fibonacci from the high to the low, we can see how the 0.32 is lining up exactly this area that we do expect the market to go and retrace to. Dropping down on the weekly, what do we see? Now here in the weekly time frame, we can see how this double bottom has been just printed. We can also see how the market has broken above previous weekly resistance, which was resistance all across this zone, and now that the market has broken it to the upside, is turned support here. And as the market has already started rejecting this area to the upside, we can expect more continuation to the upside. So monthly and weekly both indicating for a more bullish price action to develop. Just a quick thing, make sure that you like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below any suggestion for new videos. Dropping down on the daily, what do we see? Now here in the daily time frame, we can clearly see that the market has been ranging for quite some time. However, we can also notice how we have just broken daily structure to the upside. In fact, the market has just created this daily close above the previous resistance, which is now turned support. And usually in a situation like this, since on the monthly and weekly we did expect bullish price action, we could expect a retest of this previous resistance turned support and then a potential rejection higher. Now, if we go and see what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, which is what hedge funds and the non-commercials in the market are doing, we can see how net positions have been increasing lately. In fact, we can also see how with the last report, 2.4k long positions got added on the euro from an institutional perspective and 6.1k shorts got closed, meaning that inside of this zone, we're getting shorts closed and longs opened, indicating once again that more continuation is definitely possible. So how we will be approaching this potential longing opportunity with students? Now, as usual, we will be reactive and not predictive. If the market will go and retest this previous resistance turn support, inside of here, we will be monitoring price action from an intraday perspective, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we will have to an intraday bullish market. And if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries, we would be looking for a potential long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to go and retrace at least to the neckline of the M pattern that we have previously identified when we started our analysis on the monthly time frame. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis, education, and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. You first get all the rules of my rule-based strategies. Then you get a new daily market breakdown every single day showing you how to apply these strategies in real-time market. And you also get all your questions answered every single day in the daily Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in it.